Dear students of class 10th, this is the sixth video. It is related to the chapter agriculture. And in this video, first topic what we'll discuss, that is horticulture. So if you are getting question, what is horticulture? In very simple sentence, what we can say, growing of fruits, flowers and vegetable is known as horticulture. In the year 2008, our country was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world after China. And with regard to our country produces tropical as well as temperate fruits. So now let us discuss about some of the superior quality of fruits grown by the farmers and also the major producing areas. Mangoes of superior quality are grown in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Oranges are grown in Nagpur and Cherrapunji. Bananas of superior quality are grown in the states of Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Lychee and guava are cultivated by the farmers in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Pineapple is grown in Meghalaya. Grapes of superior quality are cultivated by the farmers in Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. Apple, pears, apricots, and walnuts are cultivated in the states of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. So, all these fruits, due to their superior quality, they are having maximum demand in not only domestic market but also in the foreign markets, and by exporting fruits to the other countries of the world, our country has been able to earn a lot of foreign exchange. After that we will discuss about vegetable. So, with regard to vegetable, our country produces about 13% of the world's vegetable, and in India, important vegetables which are grown are peas, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal, and potato. After that, we will move to new topic, non-food crops. In non-food crops, first we will discuss about rubber. So with regard to the rubber, this crop, it is an equatorial crop, but under special conditions, it is also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. Kerala is the major producer of rubber in our country, and it produces about 90% of the total rubber produced in our country. So, with regard to the natural rubber, this rubber is an important industrial raw material. Now we will discuss about the geographical requirements for cultivation of rubber. First we will discuss about temperature. It is a tree of tropical forest, and it requires a constant high temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. Then second important geographical requirement, rainfall. It needs heavy and well distributed rainfall throughout the year. The rainfall must be ranging in between 200 centimeter to 400 centimeter. And with regard to the soil requirement, this plant requires alluvial or laterite soil. After that, we will discuss about major producing areas. With regard to the major producing areas, just I have told you, Kerala is the largest producer of rubber, and other than Kerala, other major producers are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and Garo Hills of Himalayas. Then we will see this pie chart. This pie chart is showing you consumption of natural rubber by different sectors. So these are the important sectors in which natural rubber is consumed. So just I have told you about the rubber plants. So from the rubber plants, we are getting latex, that is milky substance, and that milky substance, or we can say the latex, is processed into natural rubber, which is used by these sectors. After that, we will discuss about fiber crops. So, with regard to the fiber crops in India, cotton, jute, hemp, and natural silk, these are the four major fiber crops grown by the farmers. The first three are derived from the crops grown in the soil. The later is obtained from cocoons of the silkworm, and generally the silkworms are fed on green leaves, especially mulberry leaves. And with regard to the process of rearing of silkworm to produce silk is known as sericulture. Now we'll discuss about cotton. This is the important fiber crop of India, and it is one of the basic raw materials for cotton textile industry. In the year 2008, our country was second largest producer of cotton after China. It is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Now let us discuss about the geographical requirements. So first we will discuss about temperature. Cotton needs a warm climate, summer temperature of about 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and abundant sunshine is necessary during the growth of the plant. A long growing period of at least 200 frost free days is also necessary for the plant to mature. Rainfall requirement, it requires moderate to light rainfall ranging between 50 centimeter to 80 centimeter. Soil type, it can be grown on a variety of soil, but black soil is very suitable for cultivation of cotton. It grows well in alluvial soil of Satluj Ganga plain also. After that, we will discuss about major producers of the cotton. Major producing states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Madhya Pradesh. After that, we will discuss about another natural fiber, that is jute. So, with regard to jute, it is a tropical fiber plant and grows well in the delta region of Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. So, with regard to jute, it is known as golden fiber of India. So, this question from jute is very important. Why is jute called golden fiber of India? In very simple sentence, what we can say as answer, jute is the golden fiber of India because India earns valuable foreign exchange by exporting jute to other countries of the world. This will be the perfect answer. But in some of the other books or the refresher, what I have seen, that it is given jute looks yellow in color, so it is known as golden fiber of India. So it is totally wrong. So if you are getting the question, why is jute called golden fiber of India, so simply what you will write, jute is called golden fiber of India because by exporting jute and its products to the other countries of the world, India has been earning foreign exchange since time immemorial, so it is known as golden fiber of India. After that, we will discuss about the geographical requirement for cultivation of jute. So with regard to the geographical requirement for the cultivation of jute, it requires hot, wet climatic condition, especially on floodplains and the deltas. It requires uniformly high temperature of about 27 degrees Celsius throughout the year and well distributed heavy rainfall of about 150 centimeter. And with regard to the jute, this is having one drawback. It depletes fertility of the soil very quickly. So the floodplain area and the deltic regions of our country are ideal for cultivation of jute, because we know that in the plain area and also in the deltic regions, flood is very common. And every year during the rainy season, over flooded rivers are renewing the soil, and by this way naturally fertility of the soil is maintained. So the floodplain area and the deltic regions are ideal for cultivation of jute. After that, we will discuss about major producers of the jute. Major producing states are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha, and Madhya Pradesh. And with regard to the usage of jute, jute is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets, and other artifacts. But now what has happened, due to the availability of synthetic substitute, jute is losing its domestic and also foreign market. And this can be taken as very important drawback, because the synthetic substitutes like nylon and other synthetic substitutes, they are not only cheaper but also they are much durable than the jute. So this is the very important reason due to which jute is losing its market. And with regard to the new topic, technological and institutional reforms, we will discuss in new video.